Today, we're going to look at a way to classify data by first understanding its story.
See, most classifiers just draw a line between two groups. That's pretty much it.
But a generative model, it learns the story or distribution of each group on its own. And this whole storytelling approach, well, it has a name. Linear Discriminant Analysis, or LDA for short.
Okay, let's start simple with just one predictor. LDA makes two really big assumptions here.
And with those assumptions, the best place to draw the line is right down the middle. Simple.
Okay, that's easy enough. But what happens when we get more clues to work with?
Well, those simple bell curves suddenly become these multidimensional clouds of data points.
Now, LDA assumes each cloud has its own center. But, and this is key, they all have the same shape.
That idea of a shared shape, that's the real heart of LDA for multiple predictors.
And since every data cloud has that same exact shape, the boundary is always a straight line.
Okay, great. But in the real world, what if the data clouds don't have the same shape?
Well, for that, we turn to something a bit more flexible, quadratic discriminant analysis, or QDA.
The only difference between LDA and QDA is just one single assumption. It's a big one, though.
By letting each class have its own shape, QDA can now draw these really flexible, curved boundaries.
So which one should you actually use? It all comes down to the classic bias-variance trade-off.
Let's break it down. LDA is simple and stable. QDA, it's much more flexible.
Basically, if you don't have a ton of data, LDA is usually the safer bet.
But if you've got loads of data, QDA's flexibility might capture the real story much better.
So it's really about matching the tool to the job, how much data you have and how complex it is.
Which kind of leaves you with one last thought. When you face any new problem, where do you start? Simple or complex?